Welcome to our detailed guide on navigating the Know Your Customer or KYC module on PTPShopy, your trusted crypto payment gateway. KYC is a crucial step in ensuring the security and integrity of transactions within the crypto space. It helps in preventing fraud and complying with regulatory requirements. At PTPShopy, we take your security very seriously. The KYC module is required for merchants and is a necessary step in order to be able to withdraw accumulated funds. The KYC process is not required to be completed by users purchasing products or services from you. If you have signed up as a referrer, you'll need to complete the KYC process as well. To begin, log into your PTPShopy account and navigate to the KYC module. Here you'll find a simple and guided process to verify your identity. Select whether you're completing the KYC as a business or individual. Enter your first and last name followed by your date of birth. The information provided needs to be the same as per the government-issued ID that you'll be required to upload. Select your gender and click on Next. Here you will need to fill in all of the information requested. Keep in mind that the residential address needs to be the same as per the documents you will be uploading. Uploading the KYC with two different addresses will lead to a rejection of the application. Once this page has been filled in, click on Next. If you're filling the KYC as a business, you'll be required to fill in the business registration address, website, and select your industry later in the KYC process. In this section, you can select which document type you'd like to upload. You can upload your passport or your driver's license or your identification card. Select a document type and enter the required information. Click Next. On this page, upload the front image of your document, a back image, and take a selfie with the document for facial verification. Ensure that the document in the selfie is not blurry and clearly visible. Do not wear glasses or a hat in the selfie. For the document confirming your provided address, click on the document type and enter the document date, and ensure your document follows the 3 terms. Upload the image of the document. Hit send and the application will be sent for approval. All applications are encrypted and can only be accessed by our compliance officer. After successful verification, you'll have full access to all features and services on PTPShopy. You can now transact with confidence, knowing you're part of a secure and compliant crypto community.